The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Everyone and their brother seems to have an opinion on where XRP is heading in the near future, and it feels like every day we hear a new price prediction, price target, or ambitious short-term objective for XRP from crypto experts and technical analysts. Here I am to inform you of the things we have confirmed and those that are on the horizon. Just hit that like button and share the video to let others across the world know what's really occurring in this digital revolution. If you enjoy chatting about XRP, Ripple drop an X in the comment box. That's all I ask, in my humble view. Since I'd want to get off on the right foot, I'll begin by predicting that, by 2025, the price of XRP will have soared to $498, a gain of 102 plus 1,000%. Although this could be the case, folks, as we hear things from Armando Putana, crypto experts are now predicting that settlement news is imminent, making this inevitable. In 2026, XRP might be worth $8 to $20, according to some. On each of these 5 points, the believer and I rank them far higher. He goes on to discuss things like market tendencies, future financial services, legal clarity, institutional acceptance by historical powerhouses, and more. We have Grog, an AI, predicting that XRP would reach $1,000 if $50 trillion worth of transactions occur. These aspirations are so high. I am not arguing for or against these people. I am only asking what we have that is verified to aid them. However, from where do they derive these figures? We are aware that the Bank of International Settlements is a collaborator. You can find us on that task force. The International Monetary Fund is someone with whom we are well acquainted. When we talk about huge core companies, nations, and governments, we're also talking about the largest ecosystem and all of crypto. In a recent interview, Brad Garlin discussed the 10 nations with whom they have already established partnerships for their CBDCs. We already know that these countries would adopt LUSD stablecoin. However, we are discussing nations from every corner of the world. This is stuff that you hear, I know it. Of course, you all are aware that we are collaborating with some of the world's largest financial institutions. However, realizing the interconnectedness of all this is crucial. Additionally, XRP's long-standing reputation as a valued digital asset is well established. Satoshi himself owned a massive quantity of XRP, as even David Schwartz has publicly said. My friends, what really binds it all together is my firm belief that once the case is resolved, Ripple will be able to move forward with US and international banks, open up shop, and begin doing business with these banks all over the world. After all, they really need the SEC out of the way to get things rolling. I think the idea of a stable coin was moot a long time ago. It has just recently come to our attention. And this is the lightbulb moment that will connect the dots using XRP as the connecting asset to guarantee that its price remains extremely high. This is where a lot of people get confused. They think that XRP needs to equal $1 in order to be classified as a stable coin, as the World Bank formally described it, because many other stable coins are pegged to the US dollar at a rate of 1-to-1. That, however, is never the reality. It has never been valid. As David Schwartz has argued countless times, it is possible that it will be highly valuable, and that we will receive large quantities of deep liquidity pools.
What you have here, folks, is a chief executive officer gushing about how lawmakers are beginning to see the light and how crucial this technology is for the future. Now that XRP has dropped in price, the fantastic prediction of Circle COC is that stable currencies will be the legal electronic money practically everywhere by the end of 2025. Representatives and senators from long ago came to the conclusion that stable coins were the best approach to have this system function as a whole. We've already covered the fact that Ripple is in close contact with both foreign and domestic banks. This has been planned for some time, and when we consider our LUSD Ripple stablecoin, which was decided upon a long time ago, we can see that it is the best option for connecting everything. There are a lot of people complaining about illegal activities, and I know that it's dragging everyone down. I don't know what happens to Tether, but if you're hoping for its demise, I think you're missing the point. They rank third in terms of market capitalization within this sector. A catastrophic Tether drop overnight is something I would prefer not to witness. Our industry would suffer greatly as a result of that. I get that things aren't exactly rock solid, but I really think Ripple will eventually overtake Tether in terms of market share. We are witnessing the introduction of liquidity into the ecosystem, which is a huge ecosystem and infrastructure that we have already developed, with Ripple XRP serving as the connecting asset. There is where I predict XRP's price will skyrocket. I am present to assist you with that. That is why I have invested heavily in XRP. I think it will transform the game. The video concludes with that. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Muchas gracias, depart.